Kraft macaroni and cheese. It really gets your noodle going.
The 6 tiny noodle babies went home today.
As the young noodles migrate upstream.
Kraft presents Cheesy and Only.
With reports of heavy cheese flooding and
Slammed into cheese.
Oh, I don't know how to make anything fancy.
make something homey style.
Hey! Ooh, cheese, beef, more cheese, bacon, 3 more strips. I declare this Extreme Burger the winner. Homer, you created a Whopper.
For a limited time, get the new Extreme Bacon and Cheese Whopper. Juicy flame-broiled beef, 2 kinds of cheese, 4 strips of bacon at Burger King now.
I made a
When he comes back here, grab him.
Kraft macaroni and cheese.